In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate an API in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to smoothly connect external data to your WordPress site can be a game changer. APIs allow you to pull in all kinds of data to enhance your site's functionality, and today we'll walk through this process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to access your WordPress dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress admin page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the familiar WordPress interface. This is where you'll handle installations and integrations. From the dashboard, look to the side menu and find the Plugins section. Hover over it and then click on Add New. This section allows you to browse a vast repository of plugins, all designed to enhance your website's capabilities. Once you're in the Add Plugins section, you'll see a search bar. Click into this bar and type in WP-Jet API is the plugin that we'll use today to handle API integration. This plugin allows you to communicate with third-party APIs easily, making it a versatile tool for any WordPress site owner. Hit Enter, and the plugin should appear in the search results below. Now, it's time to install WP-Get API. Next to the plugin, you'll see a Install Now button. Click it, and WordPress will begin the installation process. This should only take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, that same button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your website. Activation is crucial as it allows the plugin to begin functioning within your WordPress site. With WP-Get API now active, you're on your way to integrating API functionalities. The next steps would typically involve configuring the plugin with your specific API details, such as the API URL, authentication keys, and any parameters you're required to use. Unfortunately, we don't cover those details in today's video, but rest assured, WP-Get API offers a user-friendly interface and documentation to guide you through the configuration process. Remember, successfully integrating an API into WordPress can unlock a plethora of new possibilities for your website. From displaying real-time data to automating tasks, the capabilities are only limited by the APIs you choose to employ. If you're unfamiliar with APIs or feel stuck, don't hesitate to review the WP-Get API documentation or seek assistance from WordPress forums and support communities. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to integrate an API into WordPress using the WP-Get API plugin. Feel free to explore and experiment with different APIs to see how they can enhance your site's performance and user experience. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check back for more tech tutorials.